Well, my dad's gonna give it a shot. We're across from the Air Force Base near Boca Chica, about mile marker 8 or so.
Oh my gosh, this is scary.
I think you want to hold up a little higher, maybe.
You think?
Yeah, I had my hand on the top one, I think, but you'll be good. Good job. See if we can get up this thing. Oh, you don't got shoes on, huh? You want my sandals?
No, I'm fine.
Good job.
Whee! Okay. How did this hook?
I just put it on the nail. There's a nail on the board above you. Oh, that'll work. Cool.